Depilation and wax both remove hair from the root. But did you know that the way they do it is different? Before waxing, let your visible hair grow for at least 7 days. The wax sticks to hair and skin. Pulling removes the hair but lifts the skin as well. With brown silk appeal, you need to let your visible hair grow for only about 2.5 days. Tiny tweezers only pull out the hair and don't affect your skin directly. For weeks of smooth skin, not just days.
Hi, Jack.
Hi, babe.
It's so nice to hear your voice. What are you doing? Let me share with you a very interesting thing that happened today.